Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the world of sleep tech with the Manta Sound Sleep Mask.
Let's see if this mask can truly lull you into dreamland with its combination of comfort and audio features.
First off, let's talk design.
The Manta Sound combines a sleek, comfortable sleep mask with built-in speakers, allowing you to enjoy audio while you doze off.
It's a clever concept, and the execution is solid.
The mask itself is well made, with soft fabric and breathable foam padding that effectively blocks out light. The adjustable Velcro straps ensure a snug fit, though I did find it a bit tricky to customize the positioning of the removable eye cups.
Now, onto the audio. The speaker wrap attaches to the outside of the mask and holds all the electronics.
It features power, pairing buttons and volume controls for easy adjustments. But here's where things get a bit disappointing. Despite its promising design, the audio quality of the Manta Sound Sleep Mask falls short of expectations. While it's adequate for listening to podcasts or ambient sounds like rain, it lacks the crispness and depth you'd expect, especially for its price point.
Comfort-wise, the mask is lightweight and reasonably comfortable, especially for back sleepers.
However, side sleepers may find it less ideal due to the uneven audio balance caused by the speaker pressing against the pillow. In conclusion, the Manta Sound Sleep Mask offers a unique solution for those who want to listen to audio while they sleep. Its clever design and effective light blockage are commendable. However, its mediocre audio quality and discomfort for side sleepers may leave some users wanting more. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unbiased product critiques. Until next time, sleep tight and dream big.
This is Product Critique, signing off.